All right, let's do the flour. And I said we're going to do the flour together because I want to go over our measuring technique for the flour. So get a big mixing bowl, get a 1 cup measure, and get your container of flour, all-purpose flour. Now it says in the recipe 4 cups of flour. Before you start taking your measure, start diving in there, you want to make sure this is aerated. So you want to take your any kind of utensil and just get in there and just aerate it, because it may have been sitting there for a while. Maybe you're measuring out of a bag and it's completely packed through. That's not the proper way of measuring flour. You have to aerate it first before you get in there and start measuring. The other thing to keep in mind, if you're measuring ever more than 1 cup of flour, like 2 cups, 3 cups, 4 cups, whatever, you shouldn't be grabbing a big 2 cup measure. No, you should be measuring 1 cup at a time. It gives you a more accurate measure instead of getting more in there than you want to. So first step, aerating. Second step, get your 1 cup measure, and we'll do this 4 times. And you just then get in there, make sure it's leveled off just by shaking it. You're not pressing it in, and you're just taking your finger or a butter knife and nice and flat across, so you have a perfect measure. And that's 1 cup, and put that in your big mixing bowl. There's 2. There's 3. And again, I'm not pressing it into the cup, okay? Making sure it's full, obviously, full of the aerated flour, but there's leveling it off, and that's 4. Okay.